News piece number 1 comes from the car manufacturer from Japan. Honda is considering doing a lot of business in Canada by potentially investing almost $18.5 billion in car manufacturing, electric car manufacturing and battery manufacturing in Canada. Hopefully that project will materialize, and this would create a lot of jobs for Canadians. Why this piece is important, and the link of which will be under this video. This piece is important because there's a huge trend of electrification and EV industry in Canada, specifically in Ontario. So if your business or startup or any concept idea is related to this sector, you may consider Canada very seriously. Second, many of our clients ask about what's gonna be in 2024 in terms of recession economy. So I suggest you read this piece by Bloomberg, where you can listen to several economists of leading banks in Canada on how the outlook looks like in 2024, where we are heading in terms of recession. The note is more positive than negative, so take a look. And I think, to my mind, my humble opinion, is that in 2024, at least in the middle of the year, we will have everything under control in terms of recession, and interest rates will be hopefully decreasing by Bank of Canada.